Happy Friday. Y'all, today is Chloe's first game as a varsity cheerleader. And I'm not going to be there. They're playing in Dallas. And because we have the road trip tomorrow, timing, it just wasn't going to work. I feel so bad. We are not able to make it. I mean, when I say I feel bad, I feel bad. They have a home game next week. So, you know, I'm having mom guilt. Anyway, we're traveling to Lafayette, Louisiana tomorrow for DeAndre's first college game. So y'all will get to see a little bit of that. It's a Friday. I really wanted to begin the new vlog on Sunday, but because today is Chloe's first game and tomorrow is DeAndre's first game, I just went ahead and said, you know what, I'm gonna start the vlog today. So anyway, I'm headed home. I am off. We are having a 3-day weekend, y'all. I'm vlogging and driving, but we have a 3-day weekend. Monday is Labor Day. I am about to enjoy the rest of my Friday. I'm really supposed to be filming, but Tiki is at home, and I don't like filming anything when people are at home because they look at you and they're like, why are you looking like that? Or why are you doing this? And it just messed my whole groove up. But I have 2 fashion videos coming for you all. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Happy Saturday, y'all. It's game day. We are en route to Lafayette, Louisiana. I was about to say New Orleans. I don't know why, but we are en route to Lafayette, Louisiana. We're currently at the car wash. That's why you hear this noise. But y'all, it's game day. It's DeAndre's first college game. And if you follow me, I know you already know that. Hold on. All right, y'all, I'm back. But we're headed to Lafayette. Oh, Lord Jesus. Y'all, my nerves get really bad with road trips. These trucks and anyway. We're on the road. First stop. When I say this place is packed, this place is packed. But we're here for the brisket tacos.
Is the brisket egg good?
I don't know. I like the brisket taco. Oh, you want brisket and egg? I had got 2 brisket tacos. No, one for you, one for me. Over here. The cashews right here. I want to try the pecans. I have glazed cashews, glazed almond, and glazed pecans. Y'all, we made it. Y'all say hi, because y'all didn't speak to the vlog today.
Who's that?
Whew, y'all. All I have butterflies. Whew. I feel like I'm about to run on the field. But y'all, I really want to show y'all this group of girls over here. I don't know what they got going on, but I really want to put them on camera, but I don't want to embarrass my family.
You ain't gonna embarrass me, you gonna embarrass yourself.
I want to turn the camera, but I'm not. I'm not. Did y'all see that? I tried to be discreet and just kind of do a 360. It's right here.
I'm gonna go with Coco.
You gonna go where?
Coco.
Okay. We're walking into the hotel to check in, but this area is nice, y'all. Look. Y'all see them over there? And there's Chloe. Say hi, Chloe. Let me zoom y'all out. I was trying to show y'all the girls. But anyway, I think they're going into a restaurant. Let me go check into this hotel.
later that same evening.
All right, Chloe, looking cute, representing. Hey, y'all, let's see. This what we looking like. Y'all, your girl is officially 10 pounds down. Look. Okay, Chloe, wait a minute. Back up real quick. I'm going to just show them. Y'all, look. Let's see. Let's zoom in a little bit. Just a little bit. Yes, honey. Yes. Yes, we are game day ready. Representing Rice Owls. We ready? Ready to cheer on D Hard and the Rice Owls. All right, y'all, let's get to walking. Okay, y'all, we are walking to the entrance of the stadium. There go my peeps right here. And here I am. Y'all, we the only blue in the sea of red. All I see is red.
Red, all in black. There goes some white. There goes some blue.
Oh, yeah.
What up?
Y'all, there's my big baby. Coco, say what's up to the vlog.
Nigga, it's an elephant and everything.
The land of the free and the home of the brave.
Ladies and gentlemen, now entering the field, the Owls.
Yeah! Yeah, let's go, Rice!
From Houston, number 9.
Hey there! Hey!
I had to leave early to give you.
Yeah! You go, boy! These are my great nieces and my great nephew. These are my cousins right here. Nephew, niece, sister, uncle, cousin. This is our support system, y'all. This D Hard support system. These are the TikTokers.
Do it!
Can't even move. Why not throw that?
Try. I'm gonna take this off.
I'm gonna hug you.
What up, 27? What up? Wait.
I thought y'all had 11.
No, y'all look at my baby.
What up? No, it is, man.
How you feeling?
Yeah, I'm good.
I want to take a picture. Hey.
Big bro, man. How old are you? How you doing?
What's up, Kobe? Look at Kobe.
Got on this razor case.
Hey.
Yeah. I am. What's up, baby? Future Hall of Famers. Coco. Yeah. Send me that one of Kobe and DeAndre. Our people. Sorry. All right, y'all. Kobe, take it easy. Let me know if you need it. All right.
All right, you got to say something to my vlog now, y'all. D Hard signing out.
Got too much to say.
All right, I love you.
You too.
A few moments later.
Why is it always being said that I'm tripping at the football games?
This tastes faker than usual.
Early in the first quarter.
You said the faker ain't that. You're that.
She always eat that.
Yeah, but it tastes faker than usual. And you eat it.
Throw it away, Chloe. Y'all, it's 12:09. And I forgot my tripod. I thought it was hooked to my... I thought it was hooked to the camera. But hey, y'all. Coco doing work per usual. What up, though?
What up?
We're about to do a game recap. They were already talking before I got down here, which is not right because we were supposed to do this together. So I'll call y'all back later on this morning. Y'all, it's 1:47 and we're still downstairs and I'm so sleepy. I done took my hair down. Let me see. Turn this on. Okay, y'all, I'm about to go back up to the room, go to sleep for real. I hope I'm not boring y'all with my vlog. Y'all let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments. If y'all enjoy watching my content and watching my vlogs, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Like, comment, and subscribe in that order. Like the video. Comment, let me know if you like my vlogs, what you like, what you don't like. You know, what you want to see more of, all that good stuff. And make sure you subscribe, okay? And share, because sharing means caring. So, I'm sleepy.
What you mean sharing means caring? Hit that button on there.
Share the video, because sharing means caring. I'm about to hit the button. I'll call y'all back in a little bit. Great morning, y'all. It is now 8:30. We're getting ready to eat breakfast so we can hit the road because we have to get back to the H. It's been so long since I made waffles. I forgot that you have to turn it. Yeah, I was making one for you. See? They got almonds, omelets, the little cheese bites.
Oh, that's
the
what that
egg
is?
bites.
Sorry. Give me a plate. Thank you, sweetie pie.
Don't judge me. Yeah.